Helping to protect against colds and flu. 2. Relieves upper respiratory infections. It can alleviate symptoms of upper respiratory infections like sore throat, cough, and sinusitis. 3. Antimicrobial properties. Echinacea contains natural antimicrobial compounds that fight bacteria and viruses. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. It can reduce inflammation, helping with conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory issues. 5. Supports skin health. Echinacea can speed up wound healing and alleviate skin conditions like eczema. 6. Pain relief. It can relieve pain such as headaches, toothaches, and muscle aches. 7. Antioxidant power. Echinacea combats free radicals in the body, preventing cell damage and supporting overall health. 8. Reduces stress and anxiety. Echinacea can alleviate mild anxiety symptoms and provide general relaxation. 9. Regulates blood sugar. It helps balance blood sugar levels, aiding in diabetes management. 10. Supports digestive health. Echinacea supports the digestive system, alleviating stomach discomfort and bloating. 1. Echinacea tea. Add 1-2 teaspoons of dried echinacea, root or leaves to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 10-15 minutes before drinking. For cold symptoms, drink 2 to 3 times a day. 2. Echinacea tincture. You can buy echinacea tinctures from pharmacies or health stores. Follow the usage instructions, typically adding a few drops to water. 3. Capsules or tablets. Echinacea supplements are available in capsule or tablet form. Take 1 to 2 times daily according to the product's instructions. 4. Topical application. Use echinacea creams or ointments for skin issues. Apply a thin layer to the affected area. 5. Gargle for a sore throat. Gargle with echinacea tea. This helps combat throat infections. By incorporating echinacea into your daily routine through these methods, you can take advantage of its health benefits. However, it's recommended to consult a healthcare professional before regular use.